We're back. The Z71 work truck. That's what Z71 stands for, work truck. This is another L5P that I bought that everybody told me not to. This LG&D antenna's not on right.
Who put that there?
Can't afford another one.
That part was declined.
Oh, this antenna's not straight. It's like Ethan. Back again with another L5P. Alright, let's talk about it. I haven't really done an introduction on this truck. It's a 2019 Duramax fully loaded. Thanks to Cody Pickle and Tyler for putting the rock lights on. I think we did 40 on the work truck. Hunter Alley did the wrap, PPM wrap, TIS off-road wheels, Toyo tires. It's got the Fox shocks, zone leveling kit. We did 20% window tint all the way around. Next up is paint match. Get some custom headlights and taillights, and that'll be it for the work truck. Got that done while the temp tag's still on it. Temp tag's not even off of it already, and we got it sounding right. Got a 5-inch exhaust all the way back. We're in this rainforest. Ethan, don't. Hey, you're gonna harm the trees. Don't breathe on them. What the fuck? You're gonna get poison ivy and not show up to work tomorrow. We can take the box off underneath there because we no longer need that anymore. Or should we leave it for looks? I think it looks good, personally. I think that the box underneath it really adds some flavor to it. Gives it some extra texture with the spray painted door handles and the seals, you know. We'll worry about that.
Don't forget the spray painted trim.
Yeah, that's what we were talking.
Fucking horsefly about that motherfucking big around. It's gonna take a chunk out of me.
Fucking eat you up. Oh, fuck, no, I'm going home. I'm going home. I don't want to get ate up. I like getting ate up, just not that kind of ate up.
What do you think of the truck?
Well, it's a Chevy, so it's decent and it stands out.
Thank you.
I like the green. Green's my favorite color.
Yeah, I like it too. It's different.
I really like it.
And you have to spend 12 grand to make it do this.
Oh, you just got no so much.
Yeah, I got it done for free. I bought the parts for $3 grand and had somebody do it for free.
Oh, what? Got myself a hiking stick.
Beer stick.
Trails West did the cab lights so that I don't have a tsunami inside of the truck when it rains. Trails West put the Recon third brake light on, the smoke through brake light. I can't stand looking at the red. Let's talk about how Chevy's designed these stupid rubberized inner fender liners where I'm rubbing every time I go somewhere. Look at this. What happened here? We gotta check the coolant. You're not supposed to see that. Hey, they're not supposed to see that. You can't show them that. That thing is fast, for sure. It's just a work truck, though. Fucking race car driver, you got the fucking laser detector on there.
And when you get carried away, you got
Jesus, Nissan, he's not kidding. He's a hot rod, ain't he?
Okay, woman, I told you I'd be here when I get there.
Lemon.
Look at that V-Blow.
We need that for the work truck.
Hey, you're going the wrong way. Which one do you want, Wendy's or McDonald's? Can I get a large sweet tea, please?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Strawberry, lemonade,
Okay.
a large Coke,
Anything else?
and then a large water.
Okay.
That'll be it.
That's it.
What is this guy doing? He's going the wrong way. Buddy, you're going the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way.
Decline. Watch.
That part was declined.
Alright. FX4 off-road. You think when they built this truck that they knew that there'd be somebody like me taking it to the rough truck? But they put off-road on here, so like they had to know.
It's meant for off-road. I mean, look at it.
I would definitely say ooh, baby!
It's sexy.
We got NASCAR updates in here. You guys listen to NASCAR?
Yeah, but
I've never actually drove this truck. I bought it and I drove it straight to the rough truck.
there you go.
We didn't even.
We didn't drive this to the rough truck. We trailed it straight to the rough truck.
Well, but it would have drove. This thing still has AC. Do you guys feel this AC? It's still not even blown up yet.
It's good.
It doesn't need gas.
No, it doesn't need gas. It actually runs with no gas or oil or antifreeze. This truck up with a gooseneck, drove it to the rough truck. So this is my first time ever driving it on the road.
I found an issue.
I have your child up on gas. This motherfucker rips, dude.
It drives straight.
Bro, how do I rough truck this thing and still drive straight? This thing drives better than most of you guys' daily drivers.
Better than mine.
Look
I
at
don't
this
have
thing.
one.
We'll put an airbag back in this thing and daily drive it. Anybody want to buy this thing?
Hey, I'll give you $500 and a non-running four-wheeler.
20,000. Not bad for a freaking 6.0. Oh, the AC still works. We haven't even blown it up yet.
Hey, Jordan, you should let me rip a burnout on the old meter.
This is not good.
Nolan, this thing rips,
I
bud.
think we're gonna need some new tires. Rust free. Not even rusted. I've been calling this in tennis. Look at that. Like a brand new truck.
Hey, Jordan, you need this?
Nope. This is the worst thing I hate about debadging a truck is taking all this shit off after. My sick burgundy paint job I just got done now has paint missing. How annoying is that?
Hey, Jordan, can I see that little slice for a second? When you get done?
Yeah, I was just fixing my bodywork.
Can I see that? Yeah, you gotta fix the bodywork, right?
Alright, look, it's actually really clean.
Low key.